5 reasons mindfulness improves your mind, body, and soul. Mindfulness is becoming an increasingly hot topic. It's a great way to deal with stress and improve yourself. Here are 5 reasons that mindfulness improves your mind, body, and soul, helping you become the best version of yourself possible. First off, it decreases stress. Stress is an unfortunate part of everyone's life. Deal with your struggles in a healthy way by practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness will help decrease stress by stopping the release of certain hormones, relieving muscle tension, and separating you from distractions. Decreasing your stress will also, in turn, help your body protect against illness and disease. Second, it improves memory. Mindfulness improves the part of your brain associated with memory. More specifically, it helps you make new memories as opposed to living in the past. As you become more mindful, you learn to live in the moment better and appreciate new memories as they come to you. Number 3, increases emotional stability. Emotional stability is the key to having a happy and content life. Mindfulness allows the left and right hemispheres of your brain to work together, letting you connect your emotional responses to events in everyday life. This allows your emotions to be more accurate to the event at hand and less extreme. Mindfulness also teaches you how to respond to situations as opposed to react. The more you intentionally respond, the better you will be at controlling your emotions whenever times are tough. Number 4, increases compassion. Many people think compassion is something you are either born with or not. This is not true. Mindfulness can help you become more compassionate to others and yourself. As your compassion increases, your relationship with your loved ones and others in the world improves dramatically. Similarly, self-compassion allows you to better understand yourself and stop being your own worst critic. And finally, number 5, it improves well-being. Mindfulness helps you be more content with your life. From motivation at work to satisfaction in your relationships, mindfulness improves your overall well-being. This will then help you appreciate all of life's phases, even the tough ones. So, in conclusion, to take back control of your entire life, start practicing mindfulness. It will improve your mind, body, and soul for various reasons. As you start practicing mindfulness, remember to be patient and kind to yourself, since mindfulness is not easy at first and takes practice to master.